Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Teladoc account and remove your personal health information from their system, follow these simple steps to complete the deletion process. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit teladoc.com. Sign in to your account using your registered email address and password to access your account settings. Step 2. Click on your account name or profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account Settings or My Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll through your account settings looking for Privacy Settings, Account Management, or Data Privacy options where account deletion might be available. Step 4. Since Teladoc typically doesn't offer a direct delete account button due to medical record retention requirements, you'll need to contact customer support. Look for Contact Us or Help Center at the bottom of the page. Step 5. Choose your preferred contact methods such as phone, email, or live chat. When connected with a Teladoc representative, clearly state that you want to close and delete your account. Step 6. Provide verification information as requested, including your name, email, phone number, and date of birth to confirm your identity and account ownership. Step 7. Submit your account deletion request and ask about their data retention policy for medical records. Teladoc may be legally required to retain certain health information. You should receive confirmation within several business days that your account has been closed and any deletable data has been removed from their active systems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.